Good morning, it's JP with Central Idaho's Mountain Weather. It's September 24th, 2023. We had some amazing weather yesterday, at least in the Wood River Valley, maybe little clouds to the north in Stanley, but it felt like an awesome fall day yesterday. Today it's going to be partly sunny. We're going to have some mid and upper elevation clouds move through the area. Highs are going to be in the upper 60s, so it's going to be warmer than yesterday. And there's going to be an upper level ridge overhead, so good weather. Don't let those clouds fool you. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, even nicer. Highs in the low 70s again. This is going to be our warmest day before we start trending towards cooler weather. There's a cold front that passes through tomorrow night that's going to bring that colder air in. And then trough kind of enters Tuesday, but it's looking pretty dry. We're not really seeing anything on the weather maps coming in till about Thursday, and that's for the northern mountains. So like Alena Pass and north, the Sawtooth and White Clouds. Looking at the satellite this morning, we got this approaching cloud coverage coming in. There's a bomb cyclone happening right now in the Pacific that's bringing a lot of moisture to the west coast. But because we have this ridge in place overhead, that's kind of just spilling up and over. And eventually, high pressure is going to push that cyclone north into the Gulf of Alaska. So let's take a look at that. We'll look at cloud cover today. So yeah, you can see red and green. That's our high elevation clouds starting to come in this morning. Looks like the Wood River Valley is going to mostly be sunny, and it'll be cloudier to the west and east. And then it clears up a little bit better for tomorrow as that ridge amplifies more into place. And tomorrow afternoon should be mostly sunny with maybe some cloud coverage in the Smoky and Sawtooth Mountains, but it's going to be pretty light coverage. Not much going on the HRRR forecast. Not too much. It's all staying to the west of us. You can see there's a couple specks. One Sunday night, maybe in the Sawtooth, but it looks like such a low intensity that it's just going to be maybe a trace of rain or snow. And then Monday is looking pretty clear. All that big moisture staying to the west of us. All right, let's kind of talk about big picture what's happening here. So there's a lot going on. This is like a surface map along. So that's going to tell us our pressure. That's how we measure weather, is in millibars. And you can also see the coloring on here is all the anticipated moisture that's going to happen. So I'll kind of put this in motion here. Just pay attention to this low pressure system here. That's at 989. And as it drops over 24 hours, it drops over 34 millibars. And that, just for meteorological terms, that's what designates this as a bomb cyclone. So it has rapid intensification over a short period of time. It's got to meet that criteria of dropping 24 millibars within 24 hours. So that's all it means. It's just a powerful system over in the Pacific Northwest, and it kind of has this nice little atmospheric river of moisture trailing behind it that's hitting the west coast. But because we are in this area of high pressure here, that's just getting pushed up to the north. and then watch this high pressure kind of sag into this area here. That's going to lift that low up into the Gulf of Alaska, and that just means we're going to have fairly good weather this week. Maybe some clouds here and there, but really doesn't start to enter our area until Thursday. Get a little bit closer so we can see that. So Wednesday, Thursday morning, you can see some band of moisture coming through. And then there's got some specks of snow included as well. So this is kind of like Galena Pass right here, Sawtooth Mountains here. So looking like mostly going to be in the Sawtooth and likely into the White Clouds as well for Thursday. And then get some more high pressure before the weekend when it has our next kind of hit of moisture. But those amounts have been driven even further down, so we'll see what happens as we are kind of getting into the real long-term forecast. So not super exciting as far as weather goes for our area, unless you like warm temperatures and dry weather. We got lots of that in store, but not much happening precipitation wise till next Thursday. All right, hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. We'll check in with you tomorrow.